Hey, how's it going? So I'm learning how to program at Python, and now I have already installed Visual Studio Code and also the Python language onto my computer. So let's get started. I found out that if you're learning a new programming language, it's common to print out Hello World in the language that you are learning. As you can see, I created a new folder on my desktop, Hello World. It's empty at the moment and there's nothing in it. I'll open up Visual Studio Code and I need to open up that folder on the desktop that I created earlier. So I click on the File menu, click on Open Folder, then I click on Desktop, Hello World folder, and then click on Select Folder. On the left side, I can see that folder I created, Hello World. If I hover over the name, I can click on this icon with a plus sign to create a new file. I will name the file helloworld.py and press enter. The py just means that we are saving a Python file. On the right, VS Code opens up the file automatically. I'll close the Welcome tab and then click on the helloworld.py file. Now I can type print, then open parentheses, and then type in commas, hello world, and then closing parentheses. So now how do we make Python print this out? What I need is to open up a terminal by clicking terminal to open up the terminal window in Visual Studio Code. In the terminal, type Python, then the name of the file I want to run, helloworld.py. Press enter, and then we should see Hello World. Okay, so if you make a mistake like forgetting to type quote marks in Visual Studio Code, it will tell you that Python doesn't understand. This is what they call a syntax error. I'll run this again and see what happens. Now the terminal tells us we have an error. It couldn't print out Hello World because we forgot to do something. We forgot the quote marks. Python will give us errors if it doesn't understand something. Okay, I'll fix the error and then run the program again. This time I'll try and delete the opening parentheses, and see what happens. I'll run the program again, and now we get another syntax error. This time, I got an unmatched parentheses. Okay, let's fix that and run it again. And there it is. We get the correct output, Hello World.